Last minute Rakhi making ideas. For this you all will require a pair of scissors, strings, two square cut sheets, one square will be smaller than the other, a small sheet to cover the back, glue, a chocolate and uhu glue or Fevibond. Now I will start folding this sheet triangle wise. Now you'll have to do this 3 times. The fold will go 3 times. In this way you'll keep on folding till you get 3 folds to form a triangle itself. Once you form the triangle shape, from the closed end, you all will need to draw a curve. If you all cannot draw free-handed, you all can make use of a curved object and make the line for the cutting. I will cut through this line that I have made in this way. And once I am done with the cutting, I am going to do small straight cuts towards the pointed end of the triangle. So you'll keep on doing small tiny cuts in this way. Once you're done halfway through, you all can turn it. This is how it will look, and start cutting it from the other side as well. This is so that it will be easier to cut from the other side as well without hurting your finger. Now I'll do the same thing on the other sheet as well, other square sheet, which is a little bigger in size. Again, the same thing that I'm doing, cutting it through. Once you're done cutting, you all will open this paper. Now when you all open this, please be loose handed because this can tear once you try to open. So just be a little soft with the touch. First try to take the 2 strands away and then slowly pull them apart. Once you pull them apart, you will see that you get a gap and the other strands are also opening up. You all need help, then you all can just push the pointed end of the scissor and move it upwards towards the cuts. See, so it becomes easier to open up. If you all make smaller cuts, it will be easier to open. I like the bigger cuts because it gives a beautiful look to the Rakhi, which you all will see at the end. Once the paper flower is opened up, here you'll open up the other one as well. Thereafter, using the sharp end of the scissor, I will try to curve the ends towards the upside in this way that you see, and I'll do this process till I find the full flower is having that upwards curved look. See, can you see how it looks? It looks very cute. The same thing I will do with the other square cut that I have done. Open it up. Once it's opened, then same thing you'll do, you'll curve it with the sharp end of the scissor. Now since this paper has same color on both the sides, you can curve it in either of the ways that you require. Again, this will be facing or stuck upwards, curved. Now on the back side, we'll need to attach the string that will be tied to the hand. So for that, I'm taking a woolen string. You all can take any one that you all like, and then I will just place a horizontal line with the glue in this way and keep the string on that horizontal line. Just to cover that string, I will put a small square cut on top of it. I'll just paste it on top of the string on the back of that flower like this. Oops, it's sticking. So there. And once you're done with attaching the string, here since I'm feeling this is not curved a lot, I'm just pushing the strands, and then I will attach this on top of the blue flower like this. That's done. Now for the final look, you'll have to put this candy. So for that, I will take a bit of that uhu glue or Fevibond and put it on top of the Rakhi that we made. So that's a sweet Rakhi. I already have one which I made previously, and as you can see, it looks very pretty on the wrist. It's like you're making the occasion more sweet with the candy. Hope you all have liked this DIY last minute Raksha Bandhan idea. Do let me know in the comments section How did you all like it? And for more interesting hacks, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.